Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today we will learn how to create sinamay leaves. You can see my sinamay. I've already told you how to cut a sinamay. I will tag the tutorial in the comment section. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut out the measurement I will need for these leaves. I'm using 3 inches width. Can you see that? Yours can be 2 inches or bigger than 3 inches, but it shouldn't be below 2 inches. All right, and then I'm using length of 6 inches. Now I'm going to cut it out and give it the shape of the leaves. But before we begin, this tutorial is an easy DIY. Like, I want to show you very easy way to achieve the cinnamon leaves. In case you find it very difficult to roll the edges and all that, like an expert, try out this method. You see that it works, and you are going to also get a very beautiful cinnamon leaves. All right, so if you find it hard to just roll it and it sticks, try this method I'll be sharing with you in this tutorial. And I'll also show you the fascinator I used this method to create. You see how beautiful it looks. Can you see the leaves? Very beautiful and classy. So this method works. So you stay tuned and keep watching. I will explain everything. So I have my material already cut out. I'm just going to spray some water so that I can easily work with this cinnamon. So right now I'm done spraying the water. We'll move to the next level. Meanwhile, I will be using that pointed part as the upper part, while the other one will be the down part. So right now I'm just going to be applying small glue at the tip of the side I want to roll first. Remember that for an expert, they don't need this glue. All right, they don't need it. They can just sprinkle and then keep rolling. But if you're a beginner in millinery, you find it very difficult. I'm not capping. Try it. You see that you find it difficult to roll the edges just like that. But when you try this method I will share, you'll see how easy it looks. So right now I've already applied my glue and I'm folding in this first layer. You see that what I'm folding in is very small. It's very small. Just fold in small layer. This is the first thing to do. Then you can move to the next thing when you are done doing this. So follow me through. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you all. Thank you all for joining me in today's tutorial. This is the first layer. Let's go ahead to fold the second layer. In this second layer, you are just creating another layer on top of the first one you have folded. And trust me, it does not need to be perfect. Like, the edges don't need to be rolled perfectly. All right, so just fold in the edge. You can just fold in the edges the second time or fold it double, but this is for the second layer. Can you see that? Does not need to look perfect. Just do it that way. All right. And then we'll move to the next stage. If you find value in my tutorial, please don't watch and go. Give me a thumbs up, like this my video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. I drop contents, helpful contents on how to make your headwears. So if you want to use it for your personal use, then stick with me on this channel. Right now, I'm moving to the third stage. At this third stage, I'm also going to be dropping little glue on my cinnamon. What this glue will make it is that it will help it to stick. When you fold, now you just have to do it, and with the help of the first and the second layer, you see that you can easily roll the edges. You can easily roll it now, unlike at the first stage. So it has to be perfect this time around, and I believe that any beginner can achieve that. All right, then the glue will help it stick. You don't need to, after rolling it, you find out that it can't open. It will just stick that way. All right, so try out this method. You see how beautiful it looks. If you don't understand what I explained here, I will still going to roll this other side. So you follow me, and you can see what I'm doing here. As I'm rolling, I'm a kind of stretching it. As I'm rolling, I'm stretching it. As I'm rolling, I'm stretching it. That's what I do here for the third stage till I get to the end of the other side. Right? So you keep watching, you keep learning. If you find value, please hit the like button. I really need that. Hit the like button, encourage me. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so so that you stay updated once I drop new tutorials.